Thank you for joining me today as we explore one of the most exciting and transformative aspects of modern medicine, translational research. What is translational research? It is a journey that takes the scientific breakthroughs from the research bench to the bedside of the patients. It is a dynamic process that involves several critical stages, each designed to ensure new discoveries are effectively applied to the real world medical practice. This process is divided into three critical phases T1, T2, and T3. Let's look at these in detail. Phase T1, from discovery to potential. Phase T1 is where it all begins. In this phase, basic discoveries are translated into potential therapeutic interventions or diagnostic tools. For instance, identifying a new biomarker for a disease might lead to development of a diagnostic test. The goal of T1 is to transform these discoveries into viable solutions that can be further developed and tested. Phase T2, testing in the clinic. Once the potential intervention has been developed, it moves into phase T2. This stage involves rigorous testing in clinical settings through controlled trials. Here, the new intervention or therapy is evaluated for its safety, efficacy, and potential benefits for the patients. Clinical trials are crucial as they provide evidence on whether the new treatment works as intended and if it is safe for the broader use. For example, the effectiveness of a new drug or vaccine is assessed through trials involving human participants, paving the way for its eventual approval and use in clinical practice. Phase T3, implementation and evaluation. The final phase T3 focuses on implementing evidence-based interventions into routine clinical practice. This stage evaluates how well these interventions work in the real world and assesses their impact on the patient outcomes. For example, after a new drug is approved, its real-world impact on the patient health is closely monitored to ensure it meets the intended goals and benefits for a diverse population. Now, moving on, in addition to these phases, case studies play a crucial role into translational research too. They offer an invaluable perspective by examining individual patient experiences. Through case studies, we can gain deeper insights into treatment effectiveness, the impact of diseases on patients, and the challenges faced by the healthcare providers. Case studies also play a vital role in identifying emerging trends, evaluating new treatments, and developing clinical guidelines. They contribute to the education of healthcare professionals and raise awareness about specific conditions. By analyzing individual cases, researchers and practitioners can refine approaches, improve patient care, and adapt strategies to meet the evolving needs of the patients. Well, that's it for this video. In the next video series, we will look at future trends in medical research. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us all.